Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. HTML elements have dozens of properties that you can access directly. Some of them are read-only, meaning you can get their value, but not set it. Others can be used to both read and set values. The Mozilla Developer Network has a detailed list of the various properties available on elements and whether they're read-only or can be defined and overwritten. For example, let's say I have a main element, and I've also given it an ID of main. It's got some content in it. I'm going to use the document query selector method to get that element. And then I'm going to use the lm.id property to get the ID of that element and log it to the console. If I jump over to the browser, you can see that it logs main, the ID on that element. Now, this property is also writable. So I could go lm.id equals secondary, and that's actually going to update the ID in the DOM. You can see now ID equals secondary. Now, main is still logging into the console, and that's because I'm setting this variable and logging it before I update the variable in the UI. So the new ID is secondary, but the one at the time that I logged it is main. Now, another example of a property is parent node. That's a read-only property. And so I can use that to get the parent node of my element, and I can log that into the UI, and you can see that returns the body element. If we were to jump up here, you can see that is in fact the parent, but that is not writable. It's read-only. So if I were to go parent node equals document element, this is going to return the document element, but it is not going to update the element in the DOM here at all. Its parent node is still the body because that's a read-only property. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.